and welcome to my channel, guys. It's Amrita. You might have already guessed it from the sneak peek that this painting is gonna be interesting, guys. It has to be interesting, and I'll tell you why. So let me first give you a basic idea of what today's painting is all about. Oh my god, I totally forgot to tell you what I did here. But you know it, right? I just placed these 4 paper cups below the canvas to give it a lift, nothing much. I'm gonna use the blow dryer technique for this acrylic pour, and I'll be using a black and white color split with all metallics. So guys, this is the first time I'm using a 10 by 12 canvas. Earlier I used only 8 by 8 canvases, so I'm gonna need a lot of colors than usual today. That's why I want to play it safe today. I do not want to risk or experiment much with different color combinations, cause let's face the reality, guys, I am no expert at doing this, and trust me, you don't need to be one. It's just about having fun. And that's when I thought, what's more safer than going for a monochrome option? So I thought, let's do a metallic combination with black and white base. There's one thing I know for sure, this combination won't ditch me today. And also it would give a warm neutral tone. It's good for interiors where you had this color scheme going on. So here I've covered the base with both black and white, and guys, please don't forget to cover the edges. Oh, and one more thing, guys, please don't forget to wear gloves if you don't want colors on your hand.
I'm not wearing one because I don't mind, and it's somewhat awkwardly satisfying for me to spill colors all over my hands.
And now the interesting part is it's time for the metallics to come in. So first I think I'll go with gold. And then this beautiful metallic copper. And just a little bit of this baby pink. And I'll keep on layering these colors some more. That's too much of gold, I think. But it looks good. At this stage also the painting looks good. It looks like some abstract painting. I'm putting some more white over here and black on the other side to flood the colors over the metallics. You'll see it in the next step. Did you see that, guys? That is because of the silicone oil I've used, and this is the first time I'm using silicone oil. I think I like it and I'll be using more on the paintings. It gives a massive cell reactions. Let me show you a close-up, you can see it better. I think I need to blow it a little more, and I'll show you the final results after it. And this is the final results, guys. I'm loving the color combination, guys. I think I might do some more using the same color. So this is the fun part about fluid art, that even though you use the same color, the outcome is gonna be different every time. And thank you for watching guys. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up cause it really matters. See you next time.